Ever wondered why your hair is thinning? You're not alone. Hair thinning is a common concern, but understanding the causes can help you take control. Factors like genetics, stress, diet, and hormonal changes play a role. Stay tuned as we explore these causes and provide practical tips to maintain healthy, full hair. Knowledge is power. Let's break down the top reasons why you might be experiencing hair loss or thinning. Understanding these causes can help you take the right steps to address the issue. First, genetics. If thinning hair runs in your family, it might be hereditary. The genes you inherit from your parents can influence your hair's thickness and growth patterns. It's not uncommon to see similar hair issues among family members, making it more challenging to maintain a full head of hair. Second, hormonal changes. Conditions like pregnancy, menopause, and thyroid problems can lead to hair loss. During pregnancy, the body undergoes significant hormonal shifts that can affect hair growth. Menopause brings about changes in hormone levels that can result in thinning hair. Thyroid imbalances can also disrupt the normal hair growth cycle, leading to hair loss. Third, stress. High levels of stress can disrupt your hair's growth cycle, causing it to enter a resting phase prematurely. This can lead to increased shedding and noticeable thinning. Chronic stress can impact your overall health, including your hair. Practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation or yoga can help manage stress levels and potentially improve hair health. Fourth, poor diet. Without the right nutrients, your hair may start to thin. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals is essential for healthy hair growth. Nutrients like iron, vitamin D, and biotin play crucial roles in maintaining hair health. Consulting with a nutritionist can help you identify any deficiencies in your diet and make necessary adjustments to support hair growth. Finally, overstyling. Frequent use of heat tools and chemical treatments can damage your hair over time. Excessive heat from straighteners, curling irons, and blow dryers can weaken hair strands, making them more prone to breakage. Chemical treatments, such as coloring, perming, and relaxing, can also strip the hair of its natural oils and proteins, leading to dryness and damage. To protect your hair, consider limiting the use of these styling methods and opting for gentler alternatives. But don't worry, there are remedies to help regain thickness. If you're feeling disheartened by thinning hair, know that there are several effective strategies you can adopt to restore its volume and vitality. Let's explore some of the most beneficial remedies that can help you achieve thicker, healthier hair. 1. Scalp massages. Boosts circulation and encourages hair growth. Regular scalp massages can significantly improve blood flow to the hair follicles, which in turn stimulates hair growth. You can use your fingertips to gently massage your scalp in circular motions for about 5 to 10 minutes daily. This simple yet effective technique can also help reduce stress, which is another factor that can contribute to hair loss. 2. Natural oils. Oils like coconut and castor oil can strengthen and nourish your hair. These oils are rich in essential nutrients that can penetrate the hair shaft and provide deep conditioning. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which has antimicrobial properties that can protect the scalp from infections. Castor oil is packed with ricinoleic acid and omega-6 fatty acids, which can improve hair density and reduce breakage. Apply these oils to your scalp and hair, leave them on for at least an hour, and then wash them out with a gentle shampoo. 3. Balanced diet. Include foods rich in vitamins like biotin, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids. A nutritious diet is crucial for maintaining healthy hair. Foods such as nuts, fish, eggs, and leafy greens are excellent sources of these essential nutrients. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, plays a key role in the production of keratin, a protein that makes up your hair. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps repair and build tissue, while omega-3 fatty acids can nourish hair follicles and promote hair growth. 4. Avoid heat tools. Give your hair a break from the heat to prevent further damage. Excessive use of heat styling tools like hair straighteners, curling irons, and blow dryers can weaken your hair and lead to breakage. Whenever possible, let your hair air dry naturally and embrace your natural hair texture. If you must use heat tools, make sure to apply a heat protectant spray to minimize damage. 5. Regular trims. Trimming helps get rid of split ends and keeps your hair looking healthier. Regular trims, ideally every 6 to 8 weeks, can prevent split ends from traveling up the hair shaft and causing further damage. By removing the damaged ends, your hair will appear fuller and more vibrant. Plus, regular trims can help maintain the shape and style of your hair, making it easier to manage and style. Remember, consistency is key. With the right care, you can help your hair regain its natural thickness. Start your hair care journey today. It's important to be patient and diligent with your hair care routine. Regularly using nourishing products and maintaining a healthy diet can make a significant difference. Don't forget to consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns about your hair health. Embrace the journey and take the first step towards healthier, thicker hair now.